A vegetable. One vegetable. Some vegetables. An onion. One onion. Some onions. Cheese. Some cheese. Bread. Some bread. Butter. Some butter. Fresh. This tomato is fresh. This tomato isn't fresh. Any. There is a tomato in the bowl. There isn't an onion in the bowl. Is there a lemon? There are some carrots in the bowl. There aren't any onions in the bowl. Are there any potatoes? There is some bread on the table. There isn't any butter on the table. Is there any cheese there? Is there any butter in the fridge? No, there isn't any butter there. Do you have any tomatoes? No, we don't have any tomatoes. Is there any fresh bread? Yes, there is some fresh bread. Are there any vegetables in this sandwich? No, there aren't any vegetables in it. No. There isn't any bread. There is no bread. Is there any water in the bottle? No, there is no water in this bottle. It's empty. Is there any butter in my pasta? No, there is no butter in your pasta. Are there any onions in the salad? No, there are no onions in this salad. Are there any vegetables in your lunchbox? No, there are no vegetables in my lunchbox. Is there any bread in the fridge? No, there is no bread in the fridge. There is some meat in the fridge. Don't buy any vegetables. There is no cheese in the sandwich. Are there any fresh flowers in this shop? Is there a red onion in your basket? Are there any vegetables in the basket? Yes, there are some vegetables in the basket. Is there any butter on the table? No, there isn't any butter on the table. No, there is no butter on the table. Are there any fresh onions on the pizza? No, there aren't any fresh onions on the pizza. No, there are no fresh onions on the pizza. Do you have any cheese for the sandwich? No, we have no cheese for the sandwich.